Did you know that one researcher's choice to speak up saved millions of pets from a dangerous drug that could have killed them? Dr. Sarah Chen worked at a big drug company, making $95,000 a year. She was testing a new medicine for dogs and cats with sore joints. But something was very wrong. The animals were getting really sick. Their organs were failing and their brains were getting damaged. But her bosses told everyone to lie about it. They said to write fake reports saying the animals were fine. Sarah had to choose. Stay quiet and keep her a good job, or tell the truth and lose everything. She decided to do what was right. She took secret photos of the sick animals. She recorded her bosses telling people to lie. Then she sent all the proof to the government. Her bosses were arrested. The bad medicine never made it to stores, and Sarah got an even better job working for the government, making $40,000 more per year. Sometimes doing the right thing is scary, but it can lead to amazing things you never expected.